Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is Unit 3, Plants. Yes, so let's begin our today's lesson. So, dear students, open up your science book, page number 16, and it's Unit 3, Plants. In our first unit, Unit 1, Science, we have learnt about plants, that plants are living things. Yes, all the things that can grow and change are living things. Plants, animals, and we all human beings are living things because we can grow and change. We need some food and water to stay alive. So all the things that can grow and change are living things. Yes. So dear students, look at page 17 of your science book. First sentence we have to read is, a plant grows from a seed. Yes, now look at this picture, how plant grows from a seed. Okay, look at this picture step by step, how a seed grows into a plant. So you can also do the same at your home. What you have to do is put some soil into the pot, then put sunflower seed, you can buy it from any market, into the pot. Take the pot or any container you want, fill the pot with mixture of soil and some fertilizers or a good soil. You can take it from any plant shop or nursery. Put this seed, sunflower seed, into the pot, into the soil, and cover it with additional soil. Okay, you have to keep it in the soil, inside the soil. When you have done, you have to sprinkle or put some water in it. And now what you have to do, you have to put that pot in an open area, not in the directly sunlight, but you can keep it open where that pot or that seed can get some sunlight. So after some days or weeks, when you will give it provides proper sunlight and water, you will notice a tiny plants come out of the soil. Yes, the seed begins to grow into a plant. In the same way, all the plants grow, but there are some plants grow from seeds, and some you have to put some roots or branches in the soil, and there are many ways to grow a plant. But the main method of growing a plant, and most of the plants grow from their seeds. Yes, so a plant grow from a seed. Now let's read about kinds of plants. So dear students, there are many kinds of plants. Here we have to read on page 17 green plants. First of all, we will read about green plants. Most plants are green. Okay, you know that most plants are green in color. Green plants can make their own food. Green plants need sunlight to make food. Okay, so you know that most plants are green in color, but I think you don't know, it is a new thing for you that green plants can make their own food and they need sunlight to make their food. So dear students, this process to make their own food by themselves, this process is called photosynthesis. And you will learn about this process in detail in your higher grades. But now I have to tell you something about photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their food. Green plants use this sunlight, this energy, you can say this light energy, to change water, when you are giving water, pouring water to the plant, this sunlight change this water and carbon dioxide which is present in the air into oxygen gas. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are two gases. Carbon dioxide, plants inhale carbon dioxide. That is not good for our health, for human beings. So that there are plants, there is lots of oxygen gas in the air. Oxygen is very good for us. Carbon dioxide is not good for us. We as human beings exhale carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen gas. And plants, what plants do? Plants exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide to make their food. You know, so you understand that how much plants are useful for us, that they give us oxygen gas that is needed for all of us to breathe in. Okay, so these green plants use sunlight energy to change this water and carbon dioxide in the air into oxygen and you can say sugar, and the plants use some of the sugar and store the rest. This is how these plants make their food. They absorb nutrients from the soil. When you pour some water in the soil, from the soil they absorb water, and what happened? They use the carbon dioxide we exhale from the air and they change it to oxygen and sugar, and that sugar is used as a food for green plants. Okay dear students, I have tried my best to tell you something about photosynthesis or the process because you are in grade 1 and it's enough for you to know that green plants can make their own food and they need sunlight to make their food in the presence of carbon dioxide, and they change that carbon dioxide, water and sunlight into oxygen and sugar. Okay, that's how they make their food, and this whole process is called photosynthesis. Okay dear students, that's all for today's lesson. You just have to read page 16 and 17 today, and in the next lesson we will read the next pages 18 and 19. So Allah Hafiz for today and take care, and please do not forget to watch The video links I have sent you for more understanding. Allah Hafiz and take care.